Alright, this is a new camera that I'm still getting used to, so I'm sorry if things sound different or look weird. We're gonna head over to the garage and get to work on the Mazda. Sorry everybody that subscribes for the truck. That's what we're taking over there though, so bonus. The only things really left to do to it are tranny lines, fluids, throw the interior together, and some other miscellaneous things. The car's at about 90% right now, which is like prime time for me to lose interest and sell the car. But I'm gonna try to stick it out because I've already made videos with it and I'm kind of committed at this point, right? So we're gonna head over to the garage and get some work done. So the truck was throwing code saying it was running lean and misfiring, and in the last video I swapped the intake and intake gaskets and that fixed it. There's no more lean, no more misfire, everything was good. But now it's throwing a code saying that the exhaust leak is messing with the oxygen sensors. It just never ends. Yes, the garage door is open. So, for anybody who's new to the channel, this is a 1984, 1984 Mazda RX-7 GSL. It has a small block 350 in it, 700 R4 transmission, stock rear end, and its name is James Brown. Because it's brown.
Put a spell on you. Cause you're mine.
Alright, now that the car is up in the air, you can see what's wrong with the tranny lines. Right there, it's split. Oh, now you can see it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're both right there too. So, we're definitely gonna have to make a run. That is, let's see, turn you down a little bit.
Our favorite store.
Alright, yeah, we're definitely gonna have to make a run to AutoZone because we don't have that size. Looks like 5/16. And then, aside from the tranny lines, all that's left under here is just the exhaust to go from there to there.
Oh, you're just gonna set and drain everything, aren't you? Well, we could go buy a roll of that stuff, or I can just wait until it stops dripping and just reflange the end of it.
I mean, I'm all for not spending that much money.
Feels like a steel line. I gotta push the damn thing through.
Let's see. Ooh, that sucks. There we go. So difficult one-handed. Sometimes I can barely do that with both hands. This car was such an impulse buy that I didn't get to do like any research on it before I bought it. So I didn't know until after we got it home that these cars come with factory 4 links and watts links on them. That's something I thought was pretty neat.
Ouch! Son of a bitch.
Did it split it?
Yeah.
Son of a bitch. Can you just tell that story one more time real quick now that the camera's on? So, there's this guy that lives down the road that always brings shit here to get worked on, and he just never stops talking, and he'll repeat himself 100 times in a minute, and that's the part that annoys me. So, what happened this morning?
I said I lucked out. After I got it all done, he started talking how nice his hitch was. I told him I had to go in the house real quick because I got a piece of metal in my eye. And I never knew getting injured was a blessing because I got rid of them real fast. Yeah, it worked.
Made me laugh so much.
It's pissing me off. I can't get my freaking hand in there. Get you up there. Get down. Yeah, but it sort of looks hidden. But it's right there, Ron. Well, it blends in good, don't it? Well, it's black, and the underneath of your truck's black. Oh, hell, this is water.
Well, shit. It was sitting in the basement for so long I couldn't remember what was in it. And I didn't look.
You didn't put all your bolts in the water pump?
I never took the water pump apart.
No, I took all the brackets off.
Got it. Got one of them.
Throwing the blame on you, accept it.
Alright. What else am I hearing drip?
You sure need the water from this going down to the oil pan and floating all the way across?
I'm not sure of anything anymore.
Good, me neither.
There's a, like a water valve on the side of the motor.
Oh, the drain plug?
Yeah,
Yeah, you might want to shut that up.
I did. If you guys go back to episode, like,
Season 1, episode 5.
I don't know what video it was in. At some point I mentioned this is a boat motor that's in the car. So, the car doesn't want to idle. We think it might be the carburetor. We just double checked the firing order and all that's good. All the plug wires are correct. This is a junk carburetor that we stole off a Camaro that's outside that window. And we're gonna try and find another one to throw on it just to test, see if that's the issue.
The one that's on there, it's a carburetor, and I don't know, this thing's just, something ain't right. And the carburetor didn't work right when it was on.
Right now he's on the phone trying to see if anybody has a carb just laying around that we can just test to throw on the car, see if it works. And no luck yet. Got him really bright out here. We might have found a carburetor, which is awesome. We're gonna go and get that in a second. Disregard all that, we found the problem. The carburetor was hitting this thing right here and it wasn't letting it sit flat all the way. Alright, got the engine all figured out. Got it running pretty good. Now we just need to run to AutoZone to get some coolant and some tranny fluid and anything else I can think of while we're there.
So I'm doing good there.
Going into AutoZone, this will be real quick. Check out this Bronco behind me. This thing's awesome. this video, give it a thumbs up. If you hate this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, you should do that now. Son of a